Hello there, this is Evita from Creabia Cards. Welcome to this tutorial about the Happy Birthday Garlands card. Thanks to the colorful garlands, this card becomes a birthday party by itself. Setting up the card like a tent adds a playful effect. On my blog you can find photo instructions and a craft supplies list for this card. Just click on the link in the video description. Let's get started! Take a blank card and unfold it. Cut out a big square from the card front. You can use a cutting ruler and a craft knife for this step. The dimensions of the card used in this video are 13 by 13 centimeters. The border on each side is 2 centimeters thick, which means the square is 9 centimeters wide. Just make sure your borders are thick enough to support the garlands. Let's create the garland threads. Take a sewing thread. It could be any color as long as it stands out from the card itself. Cut 2 threads, which both have a length of 20 centimeters each. Cut out a square of 4 by 3 centimeters from 4 sheets of colored paper. You can pick the favorite colors of the birthday boy or girl. Fold the square shapes in half lengthways. Then cut out 2 triangle shapes from each colored paper from the fold. These will be the flags for the 2 garlands. Make 2 rows of 4 flags each with different colors for the garlands in a different color combination. Unfold the flags of the first garland and glue the inside. Take a thread and cling the 4 flags onto it. You can start from the middle and work outwards. That's a pretty garland. Repeat the steps for the second thread. Unfold the 4 remaining flags, glue the inside and cling them onto the second thread. Set up the card like a tent. Check at what height you would like the top garland to appear. Keep a close eye on the thread ends. Put the card down and unfold it. Position the garland and put a small piece of double-sided adhesive tape on each thread end on the inside of the card front. If you don't have double-sided adhesive tape, you can use blank stickers or adhesive tape instead. Perform the same steps for the bottom garland. Check if you like the height of both garlands. You can adjust the garland height by pulling at the threads. cut off the excess thread from the garlands. When you like the result, take the square which you cut out from the card before. Cut 4 small squares and put them on top of the double-sided adhesive tape. Your card is ready now for a nice birthday party. If you would like to decorate the card a bit more, here are some ideas. Add stripes or dots with colored pencils to the flags. Add a colorful background to the card inside by using colored paper. Or write a letter on each flag. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Happy crafting!